We're here surveying a holly shrub that was renovation pruned. And what that means is thinning and removing some of the interior growth that was more vigorous and that had been sheared repeatedly. So now we're at a number of months after that. And what you see, the growth that's hardened off, that's dark green. Then there is emerging growth. We're here later in the summer, and this does not receive any irrigation or supplemental water. There is new growth. However, it's not consistently new growth. If this was sheared, you would see new growth over the whole plant generally, which would necessitate the need to shear more to contain this shrub next to a walkway. So the renovation pruning, it allows the plant to continue to grow, which it is a necessity to continue to photosynthesize, and the subsequent growth will not need to be sheared. See right here, this was cut back, and the subsequent growth are 2 shoots, and this is still within the silhouette of the plant. Really does not need to be sheared. So the plant's been opened up a bit. Doing well. We're going to see a couple more down here. So we passed some sago palms. This plant was a little worse for wear, a fair amount of dieback on the inside. It's like aphids or scale, it looks like, which often results from lack of air circulation when something is sheared. So this is doing quite well. Lots of new growth on the interior. The exterior, not too much. So it does not need to be sheared. Now it's a bit of a looser appearance. It's not a tightly clipped appearance in the short term. We're getting nice interior growth. And so over time, the plant can be reduced in size as new growth emerges from the interior. So renovation pruning is a method to contain the size of the plant the same way you would do with shearing, without all the negative effects of shearing, which is gradual decline in the health of the plant, lack of vigor, lack of photosynthesis, since there's only new foliage on the exterior of the plant, which is continually removed. So lots of benefits from this approach. Lots of new growth that is within the silhouette of the plant, so this does not need to be sheared.